Hi friends, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, we are going to see how to export the orders on Shopify Store, then how to export product details and how to export the customers on Shopify Store. So guys, before starting with this tutorial, if you are new on my channel then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. So without wasting much time friends, let's start with these tutorials. First, let's export the orders. In order to export the orders, we need to click on orders over here. Then on the order screen, you are going to see all the orders which are there. Then we have a option called export over here at the top right side corner. Click on this. Then you get a modal over here which says export orders. And then there are two options, export and export as. Under export, you can export the current page. So meaning whatever results which are shown on the first page, you can export them. Or you can export all the orders which are there on your Shopify store. Then you have selected basically if you have selected any orders and then you have clicked on export, then only you can export that particular orders. Similar with two orders matching your searches. So basically, so whatever orders, basically two orders which are matching your search result, based on that you can export the orders, or you can export by date. So basically, the results which are there in this particular date range, then you can export. So let's go with all orders because I want to export all the orders on my Shopify store. Then you have format. So what kind of format you want for exporting? CSV for Excel, numbers or other spreadsheet programs, or you have plain CSV files. So as you know that CSV also has different formats, for the one for the plain and other for the Excel file like Microsoft or Google Sheets. So let's go with CSV for Excel. Then I'll click on export orders. So guys, please note that I guess if I'm not wrong, if the orders are more than 1000 suppose, then the orders will be not exported. You are going to get the export on your email address. So whatever email address that you have given on the Shopify store, on that particular email you are going to get the orders exported. Similar with products and customers data also. Now I'll click on export orders. So this is going to start the exporting process. So if you see over here, it shows me your orders are exporting. And similarly, guys, I guess recently they have changed the settings also. Now they are sending it on email also, even if there is two emails. So previously, only if the content was more than 1000 suppose, they were sending it on email, and otherwise we used to get the option to directly download the orders or product or customer data. Now let me show you the email address. Now let me show you my email where the export data is. So there we go, guys. This is the email that I have got from Shopify, and it has the export of our orders. So if you see over here carefully, then there is an option called downloads, and under this downloads option, we have a link which says orders underscore export underscore one dot CSV. It is in CSV format. As soon as I click on this, then the download is going to start. You guys can then open it in the Microsoft Excel or on the Google Sheet, and you can see the all the data which is related to the orders on the Shopify store. Now let me show you the process of exporting the products. So we'll click on products, then same as like orders, we are going to get an option called export. We'll click on it. So same options which we had under orders, they are also over here on this model. So I'll go with all products and the CSV for Excel. I'll click on export products. So as soon as I click on it, again it shows me the message saying the data has been emailed on my registered email address. So now let me open the email. So guys, this is the second email which I have got from Shopify, and it says export of your product. So this is the email of product export, and if you see, there is the option called download, and under that download there is a link which says products underscore export underscore one dot csv. So as soon as you click on this link, then the products data is going to get exported, and then you can check the data in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet. Now let me export customers. So let's open the backend again. Now let me click on customers. Over here, same like orders and products, we have the option export. So as soon as I click, we are going to get the model same as orders and products. And this model also has the same options. So let's go with all customers and format as CSV for Excel. Now I'll click on export customers. So as soon as I click on it, I'm getting a message over here that the export data of customer has been mailed on my registered email address. So now let me check the email. So guys, this is the third email that I have received from Shopify, and it says export of your customers. And if you see under download, it shows me a link which says customers underscore export underscore one dot csv. So as soon as you click on this particular link, then the export is going to start. So guys, then you can see the export data of the customers. So guys, we have seen how to export customers data, products data, and orders data. Now let's understand why exporting the data from Shopify is important. So if you see the data which is there on Shopify, we cannot do the proper analysis by comparing the more data. Like if I want to compare customers with orders or orders with products or vice versa, then it becomes really difficult for us in comparing the data and to do lot of analysis on Shopify platform. And because of that, we need to export the data so that we can do the analysis and comparing of the data in Excel format. In Excel, we can use different formulas and we can do the analysis. Even if you are running a small store or if you are running a big store, then data analysis plays an important role. Hence, you need to analyze your data because you are spending a lot of amount on Shopify's plan. Even you might be running ad campaigns, so if you are not analyzing the data, then it will become really difficult for you to sustain your business. Hence you need to export the data from Shopify, and then you need to do the proper analysis. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, we are going to see how to export the orders on Shopify Store, then how to export product details, and how to export the customers on Shopify Store. So guys, before starting with this tutorial, if you are new on my channel, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down.